Hello, and welcome to this Introduction to Meditation. In this lecture, you will learn what meditation is, a few different types of meditation, and how to meditate successfully. So, what is meditation? At its core, meditation is a way to train your mind. We do this by focusing our attention on something. This could be a word or a phrase, an object, or even the feeling of your own breath. When you are meditating, it is important to keep an open attitude. Don't judge yourself if you get distracted. If possible, you should meditate in a quiet location to minimize distractions and choose a posture that is comfortable for you. You can meditate while sitting, lying down, or even on a walk. There are many different types of meditation. Perhaps the most popular type of meditation in the West is mindfulness meditation. In mindfulness meditation, you pay attention to your own thoughts. Instead of analyzing the thoughts, you simply observe them, then allow them to pass through your mind. Another more advanced type of meditation is called focused meditation. In this type of meditation, you focus on one of your five senses. For example, you could stare at a candle flame or focus on a particular sound or feeling. This type of meditation is more difficult because it is important to keep your mind from wandering to other thoughts. During spiritual meditation, you can reflect on your connection with God or with the universe. Some people find that spiritual meditation is somewhat similar to prayer. Body scan meditation, or as it is sometimes known, progressive relaxation, involves reducing tension in your body by focusing on one muscle group at a time. This form of meditation is especially helpful to relieve stress or to unwind before going to bed. Finally, we have visualization meditation, where you visualize a positive scene or image, such as a relaxing beach scene, or you visualize yourself achieving a specific goal. All of these types of meditation can be done either guided or unguided. In guided meditation, someone tells you what to do and think. This can be either another person with you or a recording. There are many apps and websites that offer guided meditations. Unguided meditation is when you meditate alone and decide your focus and posture yourself. There are a few common obstacles to be aware of on your meditation journey. The first is sleepiness. Especially if you're already tired, it can be easy to relax too much so that you simply fall asleep. The opposite is also true. Sometimes it can be difficult to relax fully and you may feel restless. It is also possible that while sitting and meditating, you may experience some discomfort or even pain. If this happens, you should acknowledge the discomfort and try to focus on other things. If it becomes too much of a distraction, it is okay to adjust your position. Some people find themselves being too critical of their meditation abilities. Always remember that self-criticism is counterproductive to the goals of meditation. So be patient with yourself as you learn to meditate. So, now that we know what meditation is, a few different types of meditation, and what to avoid while meditating, let's try out a quick body scan meditation. Later in the lesson, you'll be asked to do a longer guided meditation, but for now, let's just do this short and simple guided meditation. Find a comfortable place to sit with both of your feet on the floor. Once you're comfortable, take a few deep breaths. Notice how your feet feel on the floor. Try to relax your feet. Then, notice your legs. Feel the muscles in your legs relax. Next, bring your attention to your stomach area. If it is tense, let it relax. Notice how your back feels against your chair. Next, notice your hands. Allow them to soften. Move your attention up your arms. Feel the sensations in your arms. Allow your shoulders to relax. Notice the feelings in your neck and your throat. Soften your jaw. Let your face relax. Once all of the muscles in your body are completely relaxed, take one more deep breath. Congratulations, you have meditated.